Imagine this. A student graduates from university with a scroll in hand, excellent grades and years of study behind them. But when they step into the real world, a world shaped by AI, rapid change, and complex human challenges, they hesitate. Not because they lack knowledge, but because knowledge alone is no longer enough. This is the reality facing many graduates today. We are living in the era of Society 5.0, where a future where technology is no longer separate from human life, but deeply woven into it. AI, digital system, and innovation are transforming how we learn, how we work, and how we live. But in this future, what matters most is not technology itself. What matters is whether people have the right attributes to use that technology wisely, ethically, and meaningfully. That is why my research focused on enhancing Society 5.0 graded attributes in higher education. These attributes including digital literacy, critical thinking, adaptability, and also with ethical and social responsibility. In simple terms, my research asks, how can university prepare students not just to succeed academically, but to thrive as future-ready human beings? My proposed answer is project-based collaborative blended learning in a Malaysian university. This approach brings together the best of face-to-face and online learning while placing students in authentic projects that require them to think, discuss, create, solve problems, and work together. Instead of memorizing for exams, students engage in meaningful learning experience. They interact before class, collaborate during class, and continue learning beyond the classroom through digital platform. And through that process, they do not just gain knowledge, they build the very attributes they need to face in the future. So my study aims to identify the key credible attributes needed for Society 5.0 and then examine students' current level of these attributes and develop a framework that helps university enhance them more effectively. Why is this important? Because universities should not only produce graduates who are good at passing tests, they should produce graduates who can adapt to change, work across disciplines, solve real problems, and still remain guided by human values. Graduates who are technologically capable but also socially responsible. Graduates who are intelligent but also human. Because in the age of AI, the future does not belong simply to those who know. It belongs to those who can learn, collaborate, adapt, and lead with wisdom. And that is exactly the kind of graduate my research hopes to help build.